You can move columns easily by dragging and dropping. What you could do, you could insert new column, for example, in here. You can cut data, paste it, and delete this column. But there is a quicker way. Select the column you want to move, hover over the edge of the selection, press Shift plus left mouse button, and drag this column to the new position. You can also use the right mouse button to do this. Highlight, for example, full name column, hover over the edge, press right mouse button, and drag it to a new position. New menu will appear. Select Shift right and move. You can also easily copy as values only. We've got formulas in column full name. Highlight full name column, hover over the edge, right click, drag over, drag back, and select copy here as values only. And now we've got values in this column.